Hi everybody, thank you for watching our first e-learning lesson. I want to say that I'm proud of you for continuing to work hard and practicing your English and everything else while we are out of school for a little bit. So here are our goals for today. And if you want to try to read them by yourself, you can do that. It's always good for you to continue to practice to read English out loud. Our first goal, I will learn about e-learning. I will talk about e-learning with my family, and I will complete one e-learning assignment today. Some announcements really quick. I want to say that I miss everybody. Los extraño. If you have any questions about what's going on, please ask me. Si tiene preguntas, please ask me. Send me an email or correo electrónico o algo. Okay? And I'll show you some different ways that you can be asking me questions. And another information is follow the Chelsea Public Schools Facebook page. I'm going to click here, and that's going to take us to the Facebook page now. So you see the page here. There's a lot of information. Hay mucho información aquí for the schools. Okay, it's good for your parents to read. It's good for you to read. Okay, all information right here. Muy importante. All right, so go to the Chelsea Schools Facebook page for that. Let's go back here. And another option you can do is go to, here he is, go to the Chelsea Schools website. And this has information too for you and your parents to read. And actually, if you need it in Spanish, si necesitas este sitio de web en español, you go up here, you click translate, and look for Spanish. S all the way down here. Oops, there we go. Español, Spanish right here. You click there. And now everything is in Spanish, okay? For the parents, los padres, here are some resources for e-learning. Okay, we have really important information here for parents. Let's look at this in Spanish. There we go. Recursos digitales educativos de CPS is really important while we do that. Okay, so have your parents look at this so they know what's going on. All right, let's take a look at this. We're in grades 5 and 6. And look, everything is here. For para ELA English, we have this, Epic Books, Matemáticas, everybody knows iReady. All right. We have some technology, Ciencias, Historia. This is really good. Brain Pop, really, really good website. Everybody should look at that. And here is para nosotros, educación del idioma inglés, Imagine Learning, everybody knows that, RazKids, Brain Pop ELL, use this, es un programa muy, muy bueno, right? It's a very good program. And then Google Classroom, a la de Google, we will be using that too. So that's the CPS website. Let me click everything out of here. Get that off. Okay. So that's the public schools website. Oops. Here, the first part. What is e-learning? ¿Qué es e-learning? Okay, so let's get started. E-learning is when you learn on the computer. Es cuando aprende en la computadora. Okay? It's a great way to work on your independent skills. Some students have been using their friends for help, which can be good sometimes, but now it's a time to show yourself what you can do. Ahora es el momento de mostrarse lo que usted puede hacer. No tiene sus amigos en su casa, entonces necesita trabajar muy duro en los sitios de web de Imagine Learning or Raz Kids y más, okay? Linget, all of that. So how do I e-learn? ¿Cómo puedo e-learn? So you know we have 4 big things that we will be using for ELA, ELD, and Miss Cabrera's 415 class. The first thing is going to be Google Classroom is very important. Más importante, this will have all the information, all right? Tenemos la información de nuestra clase aquí en Google Classroom. Los anuncios, tarea y más. All right, Imagine Learning. You need to do Imagine Learning every day. Necesita hacer Imagine Learning cada día, 30 minutos o más. Raz Kids. También necesita leer en Raz Kids. All right. And Newsella. Okay. What about Duolingo? Some students are going to ask me, can I use Duolingo? Puedo usar Duolingo? Well, sí y también no. Duolingo is fun and easy practice. It's not difficult enough, and sometimes you need difficult work to be able to learn English better. Look here. Duolingo no es lo suficientemente, how do I say that? Suficientemente difícil, y algunas veces necesitas un trabajo difícil para poder aprender inglés mejor. Right? So, por favor, continúa usando Duolingo, pero primero debes hacer tu trabajo en Google Classroom primero, all right? So yes, you can use Duolingo, but you also need to también necesitas hacer Imagine Learning and Brain Pop, ELL, and Raz Kids, and other things, okay? Can I use Google Translate? Puedo usar Google Translate? Well, what do you think I'm going to say? The answer is no. Do not use Google Translate to do your homework. It will not actually help you learn English. And parents, please listen to, it's not good for the students to use Google Translate for everything, okay? No uses el traductor de Google para hacer tu tarea. En realidad no te ayudará a aprender inglés, ¿sí? Cuando aprendes un nuevo idioma es importante cometer errores. Google Translate no te ayuda a aprender. Recuerde, debe ser responsable de su propio aprendizaje. Tome la decisión correcta y si comete errores en su tarea, está bien, es perfecto, porque los errores lo ayudarán a aprender. Okay? Don't use Google Translate. So let's go to Google Classroom. How do I use Google Classroom? And let me click on here. I'm going to show you Google Classroom. So you need to sign in Google, and you will go here next to your letter, and you'll see a bunch of different things, and you're going to click on the classroom, okay? And then your classes will pop up, and a lot of you already know this. And we're going to go here to 415 e-learning. Everything will be here, okay? 415 e-learning. And here's Google Classroom. Si tiene una pregunta, you can type it here. Hello, I have a question. All right, type it there, and then you can press post, and it will post it to me, okay? Si tiene una pregunta, puede escribir algo aquí en inglés o en español, y después press post, and then I'll get it, okay? So here we have some resources already. Like if you click here, it will take you to, where is it? The PowerPoint, we're already doing that, so that's there, all right? Here's recursos de e-learning, sitios de web, códigos de clase. Aquí, muy importante documento, is a very important document. You open this, you have everything here. Tiene todo aquí. Google Classroom, cómo usar Google Classroom para los padres o for the students. All right, we have Imagine Learning. Here's the class code if you don't know it. 2503540-250-3540 for the class code, okay? Raz Kids, A Cabrera 37, and you look for your name. Epic Books, class code aquí, HZL5199. All right. We have linked. And then un otro recurso, 100 verbos más usados en inglés. Because I want to practice verbs more. Quiero que la clase, mis estudiantes, practica los verbos en el pasado todavía. That's what we're learning right now, okay? Aprendido los verbos en el pasado en clase. So let's keep practicing, all right? So we have all these verbs here so you can study from. Let's see what else is on here. We have YouTube channels. If you get bored, if you feel bored, you want to look at some YouTube channels. We know you have English Sing Sing. All right, you know I love that. Let's see. Let's wait for it. This is really good for learning English. There's so many videos here. They're so good for you. Scratch Garden I like. It has some songs. Let's look at this. Vowels and mas. This is good for you too. We have a lot of good songs here on Scratch Garden para aprender inglés. Y también es un curso de inglés en YouTube. And I want you to look for the verbs. Where are the verbs here? Let's see. Acciones, verbo, presente. No, I'm looking for the past. We have regular verbs. Good. Irregular verbs. Very good. All right, so this will help you to... good. Simple past. Aquí, simple past. Más importante videos aquí. Simple past. Practice these. Watch these, okay? Practica esos y mira esos, por favor. All right? There's a lot of videos here, okay? Whoops. Okay, let's go out here. So this is your e-learning resources. That's what that is right there. It has all of those websites there for you to use. So just keep up here again. If you have a question, there. Okay. Remember for your Google sign-in, you need to, whatever you type for your Google name on your Chromebook, and then you need to put at chelseaschools.com. No olvide la S, right? A lot of students forget that you need the S there, and you need the at there, or else it won't work. Let's see what else is next. When do I need to do my e-learning homework? ¿Cuándo necesito hacer mi tarea de e-learning? Well, cada día. 30 minutos o más en Imagine Learning, 20 minutos Raz Kids, 5 minutos Lingit assignment, all right? Tiene tarea de Lingit cada día, and it is, what did I do yesterday? Necesita hablar sobre lo que hizo ayer. Utilice verbos en el tiempo pasado y habla en inglés, okay? Cada día, esta tarea también. Okay. I know it may seem difficult, but I know you can do it. Yo sé que puede hacer, right? Sé que puedes hacerlo. Todos ustedes son estudiantes inteligentes, all right? You can do it. No tenga miedo de cometer errores. Cometer errores es la forma en que aprendemos. Okay. If you have any questions, si tienes preguntas, email me or go to the Google Classroom, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay safe and wash your hands. Don't lick your fingers.